Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome! We're on AZ 95. We're heading towards Parker. Just left Cattail Cove. Wasn't that a cool state park? Look at all the mobile homes up there in the hill. What a view them guys got. They overlook Lake Havasu. This is one of the prettiest areas on this whole stretch of road right through here. And guess what? Here's the Bill Williams Wildlife Preserve. Remember how I always drive by and mention it, and we flown a drone from the road. This time, let's go see if that visitor center is open, and we will check it out. Hopefully it is. And we'll take a walk. I mean, what a pretty, pretty morning. What a pretty, pretty morning. Now, I don't think you can camp here. I know you can fish, launch your boat, go bird watching, all kinds of good stuff. Now, these trailers up here, they must be volunteers, or maybe it's some of the rangers that work here. And it looks like that building is open. Cool. All right, let me get parked. Go take a walk. All right, over there's the pathways. And here's their little visitor center. Definitely gonna check it out. Once again, this is the Bill Williams Wildlife Refuge. And it's part of the Fish and Game. Let's see what this says here. There's the river, exploring the refuge. I know there's pathways here. Here, let me get the door for you guys. Okay, storyboards. Looks like every kind of fish you can think of. Well done. All about the vegetation. I'm sure there's flowers and cactuses. Floodplain. What we got here? More about vegetation. Nice. Looks like the different grasses that are in there. Wonder how many birds come through here. I bet it's in the millions. Look, they got a sample right there. Snake. Well, cool. This is kind of like a self-serve thing. There's a model of the refuge in the river. Very nice. I see brochures. Backwards in time. You know, when they built the dam, this displaced a lot of people that lived along the Colorado. Arizona rattlesnakes, eeks. No thanks. There it is. What a pretty place. Nice. Stop here. Check it out. It's all free. Alright, well, let's go for a little walk. That's a concrete drain there. It's got solar on their buildings, probably for lights. Perfect day. Look at this. Perfect temperature, too. Probably about 75 degrees, somewhere around there right now. Okay, let's see what this one says. Okay, it shows the river, wildlife, and the island. And this side, oh, okay, yeah, that tells a story about the people that were displaced. The last stand. Them people got moved out. They had no choice. When that dam was built, it flooded because people lived along the Colorado here, farmed it. Anybody there? Nope. So you can sit up here. This is like a handicap area. It's all concreted. That board's kind of toast. Sun does a lot of damage here. There's your view. Pretty. And what's this over here? There's history about the dam and fishing. Cool. There's that pumping station over there. Look at the mountains. Look at that. Okay, well, let's go for a walk. I'll walk out to the end if you guys do. I've been waiting to say that. Come on, let's go. Let's go for a little walk. Ain't that far, I don't think. We'll start over here by the restrooms and head out to the end, or as far as the sidewalk goes. Okay, it looks like there's some maintenance buildings and a restroom here. Off to the right. Look how they have covered like little pavilion benches. I mean, you could bring a lunch down here and just spend the day. Desert Crossroads, about the birdies. There's a dirt path. I see a guy going out in a rubber raft down there, fishing. More about the birds. Okay, let's go for a walk. Here we go. Look how they got lights. Everything's solar. Leash your pet and no alcohol. A lot of work goes into keeping this thing up. Water's on both sides of us. That's like a little inlet bay there. Here's another little pavilion. This is nice. Definitely gonna come back here. Butterflies. This one talks about butterflies. I bet. I bet everything comes here, huh? Look at this. With no wind, it's just peaceful, quiet. Well, you can hear the road, but oh well. Traffic. How pretty. Right there, that's where I'd be sitting. This one down by the river. Looks like about snakes. That's okay. Alright, let's keep on trucking. Okay, well, we got here a little bridge. No camping, no swimming. Aha, look for all you anglers. Look at that. There's a little landing for fishing. Look how they got the holders, pole holders on the railing. Little benches there. Matter of fact, I'm standing on like a little underpass here. You can go under it. There's another pavilion. How cool. This place is plush. I've never been down this far. Huh. Interesting. See what this sign says. Quiet, clean, reliable. I see they got drip systems, solar powered irrigation. Well, how cool is that? Well, this is like a little desert forest. I bet this blooms too. I bet in the spring you get spring blooms here. Definitely gonna come back here in the spring. Here's another landing with a bench, a little pavilion thing. I bet when the birds are migrating you can see them. How interesting. Or you can just watch the cars on the bridge. Well, let's keep going, see what else we find. Oh, look at that. Look how the shrubs have grown over like a little archway. Ha! There you go. There you go. And another bench. I think we're near the end. Look, there's a dock. We gotta head down there. Okay, restroom even. No more sidewalk though. That's far. It's a trail. I ain't going to go any farther. I need to get on with my day here. Well, there's a fishing dock. Bet you can pull your boat up there. Use the restroom. What we got over here? Same thing. Look, a covered one. They got a bench out here. Well, we definitely got to check it out. Made it to the end. Yay! Nice clean water. Solar. They got lighting. Wonder how late you can stay out here. With the lights, you could come out here in the evening. Look at all the fishing pole holders. Look at that. There's Lake Havasu. Up close. Perfect calm. That? Oh. Endangered fish. If you catch one, throw it back. I got no wake buoys out there. Now straight up, I'd say up that way would be the dam right there. That'd be Parker Dam, I'd say up that way. Alright, well, we did it. Made it to the end. Alright. I'll race you back to the van. I am definitely coming back here in the spring for the spring bloom. I'll guarantee you, I bet there's flowers all over this thing with all these shrubs, and they water them. Guarantee it. Alright, made it. It wasn't that far. It only took a few minutes to walk out there. Okay. Well, cool. Alright, we'll go up. They got all them pull-offs up here on the road. I'll go up to that one by the pumping station. We'll fly the drone real quick. Good old 95 here. Busy highway. Getting busier too. Winter travelers are coming in. Snowbirds. Okay, this one right here. We're overlooking that peninsula. Let me get parked. We'll launch a drone. Check it out in a minute. Then on our way, we'll check out those other state parks too. Look at the red color of the dirt against the water. Blue color of the water really makes it pop, doesn't it? You got all the greenery down there along the water edge. Okay, that's where we were, down there at that visitor center. Let's get up a little higher here. There's that pumping station. They pump a lot of water, I bet. All that water goes down to Phoenix. There's that mobile home community. And there's looking out. There's that entire wildlife refuge in the peninsula. You can see we're about only halfway down. You could walk another about the same distance, but it was all dirt. Huh. Pretty place. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I've never stopped and walked that all the years I've been driving past here. Really enjoyed this area. Alright, well, let's go check out those other two state parks. That'll be next video. I think it's River Island and Buckskin. Something like that. Yeah, Buckskin. Alright, talk soon.